Hello and welcome to the channel today. Today we're going to be changing the battery in this Jaguar key. Today we're going to need a 2032 battery. These are available in most stores, quite a common one. We'll pop that to one side. Okay, we'll pick the key up just to ensure you're doing the same key as yours. And if we press this button in here, it does need pushing in quite a way before it releases the emergency key at the top. But there you go, you see. You might need to get something to press that in. I have managed to do it with my finger. So this is your emergency key. Should the remote fail, this will get you into the vehicle. The location of the lock for this key varies on different models, so you'll have to double check that yourself. But that's your emergency key should this fail. Okay. Right, so we're just going to go with a small screwdriver in this between these two here, and we're just going to, that lever's one side there. Now you will need to go under this side also just to release that side, and then just give it another little whittle there. Now it is a bit tight coming off the back on this one, but there you go, and the back's released. So, and then it even tells you on here, which is quite good, CR2032, and it's showing you a positive symbol there, meaning positive side up. So if you just get the battery just in behind it, just be careful on these metal tabs here, just carefully release the battery out. And that's your battery out. Your positive side is always your smooth side, and your negative side has a domed edge. The positive is labelled positive on the top anyway. We'll just get the new battery and we'll pop that straight back in. So it was in, positive side up, just go under there. Just be careful with these metal tabs, you don't bend or break them. That's now back in place. We'll get the back of the key, and as you can see, it'll only go one way, but just line everything up before you clip it into place. And there you go, that's all snapped back into place there. Get your emergency key, that will only go in one way, and that clips back in. And that's job done on your Jaguar remote key. Hope that was helpful. Please give us a like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.